In this video we're going to update item categories. If we use the download via sheet functionality, we'll also see the categories that have been set up. And if we go all the way over to the right here, we have the category information. Now you may know what that category information is. If we go back to our sheet over here, so we want to change to computer supplies, and for product reporting we want healthcare. And we can put the same thing into all of these since they're all the same category. Then we just set our mode up here, so we just say update. Now there's categories that you may not have on your spreadsheet, so we can simply use the data form. And just to make sure we get them right, if you don't know what they are, you can use this form here, go and update to the correct category. So we set our upload action to update. We can just say capital equipment. And again we could update all these other ones as well if we wanted to. We can just simply upload all. It's not going to upload in against the items, it's just going to do this category change. And if we go back here, we'll see that these category changes have been accepted.